Hi, I'm Dan Baruch, the CEO and co-founder of Slice Engineering. At Slice, our mission has always been about pushing boundaries and empowering makers to create solutions that change lives. Today I want to share something that's really close to our hearts: how 3D printing is driving meaningful change in the medical world. We're proud to partner with organizations like Limber Prosthetics, Hand in Hand, and Island Mission Support. Together, we've been able to deliver life-changing prosthetics and tools to underserved communities across the globe. These partnerships allow us to provide affordable, customizable solutions, whether it's helping a child born without a limb in Egypt or providing a fisherman in Guatemala with a prosthetic arm to regain his livelihood. Take Island Mission Support, a nonprofit based in Guatemala. Eric Lamoret and his team live on a sailboat and use 3D printing to create custom prosthetics for people in remote regions. Their work has provided over 28 prosthetics in just 5 months, changing lives in ways many thought impossible. One story that stands out is a young boy who received a prosthetic arm. He went from hiding his limb to confidently using a slingshot to help feed his family. That's the kind of impact we're honored to be a part of. If you want to learn more about Eric Lamoret's story with Island Mission Support, we did a whole video on it, which is really cool and well worth the watch. You can check out that video here. At Slice Engineering, we're constantly innovating to make tools that help organizations like Eric's achieve even greater results. From advanced hotends to precision thermal solutions, our products are designed for reliability and performance in critical applications like prosthetics, especially in areas where you might not have the same resources like a sailboat in the middle of the jungle. But this is just the beginning. In 2025, we're doubling down on our medical initiatives. We're integrating our impact into our company dashboard so we can track the number of lives that we've changed. Every collaboration, every print, it's all an opportunity to make a real difference in somebody's life in a tangible way. The power of 3D printing isn't just in its innovation, it's in its ability to connect people, to bring life-changing tools to those who need them most. That's why we're committed to expanding our partnerships and reaching even more communities. Organizations like Limber Prosthetics, Hand in Hand, and IMS show us what's possible when we combine technology, creativity with compassion. If you're inspired by these stories, there are ways you can get involved. Supporting these organizations or simply sharing their mission helps them amplify the impact we can all make together. If you want to learn more about Hand in Hand's amazing story, we're going to have a whole video coming out about that next week. Subscribe, check it out next week. We'll be talking about a full interview with Mohammed Hattab, the founder of Hand in Hand, and the amazing impact that they're having in Egypt. At Slice Engineering, we're not just innovating, we're building a better future one layer at a time. Thank you for being part of this journey with us. Together, we can create a world where technology isn't just powerful, it's also personal. Let's make 2025 the year we transform more lives than ever. As always, don't forget to stay zesty.